right, hello number detectives, happy Monday. We're here for our word problem. Today is lesson 11. I want you to go ahead and put today's date up there. Once you do that, press play on the video. Okay, now let's read it. Miss Suggs has already gone through and underlined the important details so she can talk to you about it without having to write too much. There are 8 children in the after-school cooking club. What are we talking about? Children. You're right. Put your line under children. Can you tell Miss Suggs how many children? If you're saying 8, you are correct. Make sure you put your circle around your numbers so that they are easy to find. Next, we're going to move on to our question. Remember, the first thing we do is always circle the what? What do we circle? Question mark. You're right. Okay, there's something else really important that we always circle. I tell you every single time you do a word problem, we must circle this. What is it? How many? You're right. So what they want to know is how many boys and how many girls might be in the class. Okay? So if we want girls and boys, what do you think we're going to have to do? I want you to put that in your brain and start thinking about what we're going to have to do. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to explain your thinking. Okay, so we must see a number sentence. All right, if you've done this, go ahead and put that check in your read box. When you're ready, press play and let's go on to our drawing. Okay, now let's go back up to the top and first read our question of what we're supposed to do. How many boys and how many girls might be in the class? So what do you think we need to do to our paper? If you're saying divide it in half, you are right because we have 2 groups. What do we have? We have boys and we have girls. Okay, up here at the top, I want you to write boys. Okay, Miss Suggs, I don't know how to spell that. Okay, we're going to use that. Drag it down. Okay, boys comes all the way down to here. Girls comes down to here. Take your time to write it. Press play when you're ready. All right, you got it written. Now, it says there are 8 children in the after-school cooking program. Okay, there are 8 children. Okay, well, we want to split 8 up. So what we're going to do is we're going to start drawing. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, can you notice how Miss Suggs split up her dots? What did she do? She put them in groups. You're right. Groups of how many? Well, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put our label underneath. 4. Let's look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many girls? 4. Good job. Okay, now, if you know another way to do it, you can do that for Miss Suggs. But this is what Miss Suggs thinks is the easiest way to do it. But you are a number detective, so if you know a better way, I can't wait to see it. Okay, now that we've got our picture, we need to put a check in our draw box. Okay, now we're ready to write. What are the 2 things we always write? I hope you're shouting to me, number bond, Miss Suggs, number bond. You are right. Okay, so let's just go over here in our open space and let's draw us a number bond. Okay, can you remind me what goes at the top of a number bond? I hope you're saying total. You're saying total, you are correct. Okay, how are we going to find our total? We can count them all up. Count them all up. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Miss Suggs, I didn't even need to count them. I saw that there were 8 in all up here. Good job. All right, now what do we make for our 2 parts? We made 1 part boys and 1 part girls. So I want you to bring your 2 parts down here. You're saying 4 and 4, you are correct. Can you write a number sentence to match this? Remember, a number bond is the tool that helps us to write a number sentence. Okay? So if you wrote 4 plus 4 equals 8, you are correct. Now, there's another way you can write it, and that's with the total in the front. Good job. That's called total first. So if you wrote it this way, you are also correct. Once you have done these 2 things, you may put a check in your draw box and move on to your lesson. Have a great day.